error in the system, and that's because this is iOS. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, it's iOS, but I know that's why it's a good system, I mean, but it sometimes has disadvantages and sometimes has advantages. So like it's just like that. Just watch the part 1 to understand more about Samsung. So here Samsung has some interesting features, but there are also secret Easter eggs. You can find it out all over the internet. Like this one, I'm showing it to you. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You turn off it, okay? Then go to Google. It won't obviously work, but let us just see what I'm going to show you. So it can't refresh. Yeah, it's something occurred here. I don't know why Google. I think it hasn't loaded yet. So I'll just show. There's a dinosaur which appears there, and you can play a game on it. Wow, amazing! I had actually tried it once. There are different kinds of games in different devices, like Huawei, Samsung, etc. So there are also really cool features like fast going. I have not the brand new tab model. This is the really old. I'm waiting for an update. So let's go back to our astronomy. So about this, check out my part 1 anyways to understand it. So far in the part 1 I have done all these things, and SolarWork free, how to download that. So let's look at our chart instead. As you know, I love charts. So firstly, let's go to SolarWork so that we can actually understand it. There are a lot of ads. So there are a lot of ads here. So I'm gonna go back into it and explain here all those things which SolarWorks states. So cloud of gas. A cloud of gas from the sun. This is the beginning of our building billions of years of solar system. That's we are at 4.5. We are at around 5 billion years from our time. That's a pretty less in this cosmic scale. So firstly, cloud of gas from the sun. We learned that. But finally, there were dust. This forms celestial bodies and the dwarf planets. Haumea, Aries, Pluto, Charon, and Aries, and make or Maki or something like that. Yeah, there are different spellings about it. You can just find it, but I have Maki for some reason. Okay, there are 2 types of celestial bodies: comets and asteroids or planets. Let's look at the comets and asteroids first because, well, you get the point. That's more interesting. I got boring things first. So comets and asteroids have Ceres, an asteroid; Vesta, an asteroid; Halley's comet, an asteroid; also Hale-Bopp. Keep in mind that in SolarWork free, you can also find comets out here. Click just that and you go to different types of comets, and for example, oh bad, I got there. Yeah, so there are 4 types of comets here. I don't want to do Hale-Bopp. Here's Hale-Bopp. I'm not going to explain much about this because I am not a huge fan of comets, as you might know. I just go back to the sun. Okay, so here's let's go back to here. Planets, here is Jupiter and Saturn was formed. They were actually formed by gas, but the planets were actually formed by both gas and dust sometimes, like Jupiter and Saturn. Exactly this image. So then we go to the inner planets: Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Earth, Mars, whatever. I'm just going in the order of the sun. Venus and Mercury. These are the inner planets, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus and Neptune, which form directly from the cloud of gas. So there you have it. A quick overview on solar system. So bye bye everyone, and don't forget to subscribe Mihran's Orbit, and thanks for all of you for 70 subscribers so fast.